Welcome to a realm that transcends the boundaries of our ordinary world, a voyage into the microcosm of existence, into the heart of an atom. As we embark on this expedition, we enter a world where the laws of nature as we know them are rewritten, where the dance of creation and destruction unfolds in every moment. Imagine ourselves shrinking, transcending the scales of the tangible until the familiar world dissipates into a vast canvas of emptiness and energy. Here, electrons whirl in a dynamic dance around the nucleus, their paths etched by the invisible forces of nature. We find ourselves amidst a cosmic ballet where particles move with a precision that defies our understanding of space and time. In this atomic universe, the nucleus stands as a beacon of power, a core of protons and neutrons bound together in an unyielding embrace. This nucleus, minuscule yet mighty, holds the secrets of the stars, the primal energy that fuels existence. As we hover in this realm, we witness the birth of molecules, the elemental handshake that weaves the tapestry of life. This delicate balance of forces, a symphony of attraction and repulsion, crafts the very fabric of our reality. But the atom holds mysteries deeper still. In its shadowy depths, the principles of quantum mechanics come into play, where particles exist in a state of flux, defying the certainties that anchor our macroscopic world. Here, in the atom's heart, reality is a haze of probabilities, a quantum riddle that challenges our understanding of the universe. This journey into the atom is not merely a scientific endeavor. It is a voyage into the essence of our being. It reminds us that we are forged from the remnants of ancient stars, that we are intimately connected to the cosmos. In every atom of our being, the universe echoes, a timeless reminder of our cosmic heritage. As we emerge from the atomic depths, we bring with us a renewed sense of wonder and humility. This journey teaches us the interconnectedness of all things, the unity that underlies the diversity of the cosmos. It is a testament to our quest for knowledge, a journey that illuminates our path to understanding ourselves and our place in the universe. So let us carry the lessons of the atom with us. Let it be a beacon of curiosity, a guide in our endless pursuit of knowledge. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, our journey is as vital as our destination, a reminder that in the quest for understanding, every step is a leap towards the infinite.